What's up, guys? So we're back with another video here. We got another video. I'm continuing my coverage on the Galaxy S10, S10 Plus. All these cases I do show will work on both, and they probably have variants of other ones. I actually bought this video for the LOLs. I bought this case for the LOLs. If you want to scan it, there you go. It's more or less a clone of the Samsung ClearView. Let's see what I paid for it real quick. Like, I legitimately bought it just for the LOLs. Let's see real quick. Here it is. Gonna pop up on Amazon. Yeah, I paid almost 11 bucks for it. It comes in 28 colors apparently. The only one they had was the gold for me, so that's just what I picked up. You know, I was thinking about not doing a video on it, but now I came up with a pretty good reason why to. So, all right, so this case is 11 bucks. The only difference between this and the official $60 Samsung is it doesn't have those smart features that are not, smart in any way, shape, or form. The official one will show you some notifications on the outside, some BS like that. I mean, if you think that's worth another $40, no, by all means, buy that one. Protection-wise, they're exactly the same. I mean, this color, honestly, I don't think is too hot unless you really want to flex with a gold-looking case. But the reason why I'm making the video is I'll show you in a second. Right now, unless you could get your hands on the dome glass, you have no screen protection other than what they gave you, which, quite honestly, is crap. But it's all you got. Now, I was thinking about it. You open this case. It's minimal protect. It's not really meant for a drop whatsoever. As you see, there's no lip. There's no nothing. You got perfect access to your ports. It's cut out right for your button. Everything is perfectly cut out. Now, what I was thinking about it is when you close the front, you got screen protection. And it doesn't interfere with the, obviously that's not going to work through this, but you open it up and then, open it up and then boom, it unlocks. But it does give you screen protection in your pocket. I might actually be using this until I get my Whitestone dome glass. It does look a little, like I said, it's a little, I don't know, flunky. I don't know how you want to put it in words, but I think I'm going to use this. Alrighty, guys, if you like this video, I know it's kind of cheesy, but I thought about it last minute. I wasn't going to make a video, but then I thought about, it does give you screen protection for the cheap, and this isn't going to break. If you're cool with a case like this, I think this is an instant buy. Alrighty, guys, so see you in the next one. Leave me a thumbs up, share it around, leave me some comments about what you think versus this. Versus, say, like the $60 ClearView or whatever you want to call it. You can get this in clear as well, but you can still see through. Just has a little more bling, the bling factor. Alrighty, guys, so see you in the next video. Leave a thumbs up, share around, drop some comments. Alright, peace.